shrinkme.io Review 2022. Is it legit or a scam? In this video, I will explain to you all about shrinkme.io to find out what it is, how to join, how much money you can make, how to cash out, and whether or not it's a fraud. Watch the video to learn how to make money online with shrinkme.io. Let's start the video. Other URL shortening companies like AdFly and Shorte, shrinkme.io can help you monetize your online presence and generate income. But is there any actual benefit? In this comprehensive shrinkme.io review video, you will learn all the information you need to know. Rapid summation. Shrinkme.io, a URL shortener, compensates users for traffic they drive to their shortened URLs. It is unknown who created the network. If you want to join the site, you may do so and be given immediate access. Every new user receives a $1 welcome bonus. Specifically, shrinkme.io has 5 key ways to generate money: bookmarked, quick link, mass shrinker, full page script, and developers API. Additionally, users can earn money by referring new members to the service. Get 20% of what your referrals make on shrinkme.io. Users may earn anything from $2.50 to $22 every 1,000 clicks on their links. You have access to the following cash-out options after accumulating earnings. Users may request a withdrawal after their balance meets the withdrawal method's minimum payment threshold. Users should allow up to 7 days for withdrawal requests to be processed. The minimum withdrawal amount through PayPal is $5. The minimum withdrawal amount through Paytm is $5. The minimum withdrawal amount through Skrill is $10. The minimum withdrawal amount through Payer is $10. The minimum withdrawal amount through UPI is $5. The minimum withdrawal amount through bank transfer is $20. The minimum withdrawal amount through Litecoin is 0.03 LTC or $20. The minimum withdrawal amount through Ripple is $15. The minimum withdrawal amount through PhonePe is $5. And the minimum withdrawal amount through Bitcoin is 0.0005 BTC or $20. Is it legit or a scam? You can trust shrinkme. Shrinkme.io is an excellent site to earn a few bucks. Okay, so let's begin. How does shrinkme.io work? Shrinkme.io is a resource for shortening long URLs. It's helpful to have the option of shortening URLs when posting content on social media. There are websites like shrinkme.io that are utilized because certain websites do not allow you to publish large URLs or URLs from specific other websites. One of the most outstanding aspects of this service is that users who shorten their URLs here get compensated according to their geographic region. Anyone around the globe may sign up for this service. Users from all around the world may benefit from the several payment options available. The sign-up process for shrinkme.io. Users interested in contributing to the site must first register and validate their email addresses to proceed. Following validation, users must provide their unique email address and password to access their account. In what ways does the site's user interact with it? Once logged in, users have access to various URL shortening tools. The tools are Quick Link, Full Page Script, Mass Shrinker, Developers API, and the Bookmarklet. To take advantage of these resources, users need to copy URLs from external sources and then shrink them using shrink.io before pasting them into their own websites or social media profiles. A user will earn money from their short links if they get a certain level of clicks. The amount users get paid depends on where their traffic is coming from. Most Asian, and mainly South Asian countries are more diminutive in CPM than European and American nations. Quick Link and Mass Shrinker are users' two most popular URL shortening tools. The difference between Mass Shrinker and Quick Link is that the former can shorten numerous URLs simultaneously, while the latter can only shrink a single URL. A user cannot sign up for more than one account or click on their shortened links. Anyone caught engaging in malicious behavior will be permanently banned. Is there any way for the average user to make money off of this platform? Users may benefit monetarily from the clicks their shortened links acquire. The cost per 1,000 impressions (CPM) varies across geographic regions. Users may make $7 to $10 for every 1,000 individuals from the United States and Europe who click on their links, and $3 to $5 for every 1,000 people from Asia who do the same. This website prohibits users from using proxies or virtual private networks (VPNs). Further, users should avoid making numerous accounts using the same IP address. Arrangements for referrals. A referral scheme can also be used to earn money on this website. A user's share of the revenue generated by their suggested members is 20% permanently. As stated on shrinkme.io, users initiate withdrawals by submitting a withdrawal request. Can one trust shrinkme.io? It's safe to shorten your URLs using shrinkme.io. The service rewards you for doing so. For high-traffic websites, it is strongly suggested that you should use this service. Alternatives to shrinkme.io. There are many more link shortening services similar to shrinkme.io, some of which may be superior to this one. Regardless of the cause, let's look at some alternatives to shrinkme.io. The alternatives are Linkter, flylink.io, Linkrex, Linkjust, AccuteLink, and the shrinkme. Pros of shrinkme.io. The minimum payment is minimal. You may withdraw from just about anything these days. To join up, all you need is $1, the registration bonus. The rewards for those that generate a lot of traffic are substantial. Cons of shrinkme.io. It is prohibited to create multiple accounts. Occasionally, users are suspended with no prior warning for seemingly innocuous behavior. The URL shortening service shrinkme.io is legitimate and rewards customers for their services. Payment is based on both the volume of traffic and its geographic origin. It is forbidden to rely on the site as a primary support means. Earnings should be seen as additional spending money. This was all from my side to guide you about shrinkme.io. To find out what it is, how to join, how much money you can make, how to cash out, and whether or not it's a fraud. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.